Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace and welcome to today's video. You already know what time of the month it is. It's BOXYCHARM time. Yes, you all know that I love BOXYCHARM and I get so excited every single month when I receive this box. It is a beauty subscription service, $21 a month. You are guaranteed at least 5 full-size products every single month. Like, you sign up, it's really easy peasy. You give them like your likes, your dislikes, things you want to receive, don't want to receive, and you start getting these amazing boxes from all types of brands, well-known brands at that. That's the best thing about BOXYCHARM, is because it's not a bunch of brands you've never heard of like some other services. This one, you are guaranteed to get your money's worth. So if you do the regular BOXYCHARM, that's $21 a month. It is guaranteed to be valued between $100 and $125 each month. They also have a BOXYLUXE, which is where you get 10 full-size products, and they're supposed to be like our higher end products. And that is $51.99, I do believe. If you've not heard of BOXYLUXE or BOXYCHARM, check out my previous video where I kind of talk about both of them, and I actually show you what I got in last month's BOXYLUXE. So I'll leave it up here in the cards. You can check it out. So without further ado, if you would like to see what I got in this month's BOXYCHARM, then keep on watching. But hang on. We gotta take care of business first, okay? Before you do anything, be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss an upload from your girl. All right, go ahead, I'll wait. All right, done? Great. So let's get into today's video. All right, guys, you all know the drill. 5 products inside this bad boy. Let's see what we got. This month's theme is peace, love, and boxy. This is what the little card looks like. And it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And let's see, do we have any discounts this month? Doesn't look like we have any discounts this month. Sometimes some of the brands of the products that are in here, they'll be having specials for like the next 2 to 4 weeks, and they'll have special discount codes for you to either receive free product or discounted pricing. But it doesn't look like there's any this month, so just forget I ever mentioned it. All right, let's start. First things first, I guess let's start with the star of the show, because that's what's listed first. It is the Pure Complexion Authority Festival Palette. So it's by the brand Pure. And here's what the packaging looks like. Really pretty. Love this packaging. And here is the back. So we have an eyeshadow palette. This is giving you kind of festival vibes. And it is supposed to be a limited edition. So you do get 12 colors, and they all are pressed pigments. Let me see how I can open this. My nails are so, they're pointy, but they're kind of dull. All right, so you also get a Pure Get a Grip. It's Endurance Eyeshadow Primer, so you do get a little sample packet of their eyeshadow primer, so that's really nice. Okay, the actual unit carton looks just like the outer carton, so we open it up. Do get a full-size mirror in here, which you all know I love. Let me take this little plastic off. Well, hell, they've got it taped down too. Talk about being secure. So here is what the palette looks like. It looks like we've got 1, 2 like pressed glitter pigments, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers, and then 4 mattes. These are so pretty. Like, I'm gonna swatch a couple of them, not all of them, but I really want to see what these two look like. So let's start with this pink. It's called Fireworks. Oh, y'all, this is straight up glitter. Y'all know I don't do too much glitter, but it is straight up glitter. Yeah, and it doesn't swatch very well at all. I don't know if you can see that. I'm about to fall out of my chair. Okay, that didn't swatch very well at all. It's very splotchy, so I don't know how you're supposed to use that. I guess I'm a little slow here, but I think you probably should put down, that's what the primer's for. So probably for those, definitely want to make sure you put down some primer on your lids. Let's see here about this Gypsy, which is this purple color. And not bad. Not bad. That went on pretty well. Let's try this pink Wild Child. Now, just in the pan, it does come off very chalky. I don't know. But again, I am using my hand. It may apply differently with a brush and once it's on primer. But, you know, you do get a wide range of colors here. So I'm here for it. Not mad at it. All right, so again, not like super duper like excited and thrilled about this, but it swatched fairly decent on the hand. It would probably perform better actually on the eyelid with the proper tools, maybe a brush, an eyelid primer, the whole jazz. So swatches not too thrilled about, but I will definitely give it a second shot to create some type of eye look. So this palette does retail for $36. Anyways, okay, on to proper application of that eyeshadow palette. Of course, they would give us a 3-piece brush set. And so again, it's from Luxie, and you all know that I want to say this is probably the 4th or 5th Luxie brush set or brush in general that I've received in a BOXYCHARM box for the last 2 years. So Luxie and BOXYCHARM, they've got a great partnership. They always hook us up. I've never received the same brush or same brush set twice, so that's definitely good. They come out with different colors, styles, themes, all that good jazz. So we did get a 3-piece brush set, and it's called the Summer Days set. So we've got 3 brushes in this little bag, and it says this brush set was curated for the perfect festival look. So this whole theme is kind of like, you know, festival vibes. Okay, so you get a Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base eyeshadow and glitter. And then the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. So here are the 3 brushes. They look really nice. This is definitely a nice, fun contour brush, 2 good eye brushes, and then it's got like a little ombre effect on the tips, the handles. Really like that. I feel like I have so many brushes, so these will probably go in a future giveaway, but they're still very nice. This 3-piece brush set does retail for $28. All right, on to the next. Next, we have something from Artist Couture. If you're not familiar with Artist Couture, it is a cosmetic brand, and it's owned and founded by influencer Mac Daddy. He is here on YouTube. Of course, you can follow him on all social medias under the handle Mac Daddy, and you can also follow his brand, Artist Couture. He creates these diamond glow powders that are amazing highlighters. You can use for highlighter, you can use for eyeshadow. You can kind of mix them to kind of jazz up any look, but formerly very well known for the highlighters. So this looks like we got the brand new Diamond Glow powder. Packaging super cute, and it looks like the color that we received is Purple Dream. And it says this is an all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight that can be used on the eyes, the lips, the face, and the body. And it's a versatile formula that's highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. And you all know with highlighters, it's very tricky to find something that will work for all of the spectrum as far as, you know, shades. So I'm very interested to see this. It says you can create a subtle luminous finish or layer it on top for an unreal glow. And this does retail for $27. And I've already got a little bit of highlight on, but I am going to try a little bit just to see what it does. So normal packaging here with just the little twist sifter Nothing fancy there. Let me see here. Okay, y'all, I really want to like try this out for y'all, but I cannot get this off. I can't get the little plastic thing off because it's the same size as the hole, so I can't get my finger underneath the tape to pull it off. And the actual insert is flush with the packaging, so I can't lift it off either. So I'm not gonna be able to show this to y'all today. So hopefully maybe in the next video I can demo it out for you. I do apologize, but I cannot get into this for anything. I've been sitting here trying for like 10 minutes now and I cannot get into it. So save this for another day. But again, it does retail for $27. You do get 16 ounces worth of loose pigment. So very cool, chic, fun packaging. It looks expensive, and I guess for a highlighter, $27 is, you know, kind of that mid to upper price range. So looking forward to trying that out. All right, next up is from Appeal Cosmetics. Now, I've not heard of Appeal Cosmetics, but it looks like we've got a holographic lip gloss, and it says it delivers intense holographic shine to your lips with with this Appeal Cosmetics exclusive launch. So this is to me, this sounds like a brand new product, brand new brand. So the holographic lip gloss works well alone or on top of your favorite lippy, giving it a multi-dimensional argan oil infused shine. And this does retail for $21. And here is what the branding of this looks like. Again, I've never heard of it, but the packaging looks fun. Let's see here. The applicator is very firm. I do like that because some of them kind of are flimsy these days, and like that annoys the crap out of me. It's just a very sheer gloss. It's got a little bit of like sparkle to it, and again, it says holographic. It feels really nice. It doesn't have a scent. Let's see here. Yeah. And it's not sticky at all. So it did say you get that an argan oil infused shine. So you definitely feel the oil. It's not sticky or anything. I really like this. Yeah, because you all know, like for videos for you guys, I do wear lip color a lot of times. Today that I just have gloss on, it's kind of rare, but just on an everyday basis, I don't wear a lot of lip color. I usually just wear lip glosses. So I really love this. This is actually going to stay with me. Obviously, I've used it and it's going to go on my purse, and I'm going to be wearing this every day now. So again, Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss retails for $21. The last item is by Bodyography, and it is an eye pencil. So we have an eye pencil in like a gold bronzy color. You can't even tell. It doesn't even show up on me, y'all. Okay, so it says super smooth coconut. I will not say it's super smooth. I do feel like it's a little hard for an eye pencil. But anyways, super smooth coconut oil infused eye pencil glides on without dragging at the delicate skin. I can't talk today. Without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye pencil is rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during application for a perfect smoky eye effect. And this does retail for $14. I'm gonna tell you right now, just off the first swatch, it was not super smooth. The color payoff is not that awesome. It's not a good shade for me personally, and I do think I would have a hard time smudging it. Like, I just smudged it with my hand and it basically came off what little bit was already on my hand. So not too thrilled about this. I don't think you all are missing anything with this particular pencil. So that is it for everything in this month's box. You all already know I typically like to add everything up to see if it was worth it or not. And we are at $126 for this month's 5 items. So the box itself was $21 and we got $126 worth of products. For me personally, I would say it was worth it because I've already used lip gloss. I told you all I really liked it. I know I'm gonna like the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder because I like all of his other loose powders. I just wasn't able to open it, but I'm gonna figure out how to open it and use it. So was very excited to get that. The eyeshadow palette, I'll first swatch, not in love with it, but I'm gonna give it a fair shot and actually try it out with eye primer and brushes. And the last item was a brush set. Again, I love Luxie, I love the brand, I love the product, quality stuff. I just don't have a use for this brush set because I have so many brush sets. So I definitely think, you know, 4 products out of 5, not bad, definitely worth the $21 that I spent. So guys, if you are not already subscribed to BOXYCHARM or BOXYLUXE, I definitely recommend it. It is one beauty subscription box that I recommend time and time again. I've never had a box that just completely bombed and was so disappointing. So if you're looking to just find a cheaper way to try out new products, different brands, high-end brands, name brands that you know, or maybe you're just wanting to build up your makeup collection but you don't want to go out and pay full retail price for all these things, this is your answer. Sign up for BOXYCHARM. I'll have a link down in the description box. Actually may be able to save you some money on your first box. So definitely recommend that. But other than that, yeah guys, I appreciate you all tuning in for this video. You already know, same time every month I'm sharing this BOXYCHARM review. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. I've got so much new content coming your way, you guys. I'm very excited about a couple of things, so be sure to stay tuned for that and go ahead and help me out. Share this video with your family, your friends, your aunties, uncles, brothers, sisters, everybody you know, and have everybody join this Big Blue Debutante family. If you are not following me on Instagram, be sure to do that. And my handle is @TheBigBlueDebutante, and also follow me on all other social media. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.